Hello, I'm Kevin with Reef Roofing here at 440 Thomas in Lynhurst, New Jersey, doing a repair attempt. We're going to repair this shingle right here. So in order to change this shingle, we got to lift the shingles above it. We got to lift the shingle itself. And then this one as well. We gotta get the nails out. Was that honk for our truck? Could you go check if it's for our truck? Actually, I'll go check. Nope. Pardon the interruption, everybody. Here. You already see damage happening to where the nail hole is. New shingle. So once you have the shingle out, and as you can see, these new shingles are not the same size. I need that razor blade. So we have to cut the shingle to make it fit. I don't know who keeps honking. But turn it around, slide it in place. And now we gotta nail it back in. Now we can't reuse the same nail hole, so we have to put it in a different spot. As you can see, the nail hole is too big. The nail head won't hold in there anymore. So we now have to put it in a different spot, which isn't the optimal spot. Additionally, wind-driven rain can now go inside that hole. Same thing with these nails. This one. You can see that the length is still a little bit bigger over here. It's kind of hugging too tightly, which isn't good. you. Nail did not want to go. One more. All right, let's see what we got. So, we got the nail. Oh, we got the nail. Got the nail. Got the nail. Nail. We got damage here. We have transference from the top shingle down to the bottom shingle. This shingle will not be able to seal back down. Same thing here, we got transference from top shingle to the bottom shingle. Won't be able to seal back down. Same thing here, you got the top shingle transfer down. Nail holes, you can't reuse the same nail holes. Additionally, you have creasing forming along the top of these. Got some creasing there. So, you got another more creasing here, which none of this damage was there prior to the storm. Shouldn't be there after with a repair either. You got some missing shingles on the roof, creasing through the roof. So, I mean, based on my experience, I don't think that this is a repairable roof. Additionally, the size of the 3-tab shingles aren't the same, so each shingle would have to be cut. They're different lengthwise and height-wise. As you can see, the strip is a little bit higher on them. So I just don't think this is repairable without causing further damage to the surrounding shingles.